Now that our spring is coming to an end, thought this would be a great time to look at some of our summer turf maintenance items. The first thing we want to look at is raising the deck of our mowers, making sure we're mowing at 3.5 to 4 inches. If you haven't sharpened your blade lately, this would be the perfect time to get that done. That'll help make sure that we don't have any roughly cut grass that will cause us some problems with disease and kind of heat stress going through the summer months. The next thing we want to look at is making sure that we're watering correctly. We don't want to water overnight, again, to avoid diseases. And we want to look at getting about 1 inch of water a week on our turf, and that includes any rainfall. So if we're getting some good rains, you may not have to worry about adding any additional water to your lawn. As far as fertilizing, this is really the time we hold off on fertilizing for the year. We'll wait till later this in August or early September to do any fertilizing. So no fertilizing right now. And we want to hold off on doing any kind of weed spraying. So a lot of the herbicides will get volatile, it'll kind of get around the yard, and that's when we end up with our vegetables having some herbicide damage. So we want to avoid doing anything like that right now. So it's going to get hot. We want to make sure that we get our mower decks up high and we're checking our lawn, making sure that it has enough water but not too much, and timing our watering just right. Avoid our fertilizer and avoid doing any herbicide spraying at this time, and that should get us ready for late in the summer.